you have followed my channel for any amount of time, you know that I was a natural hair channel, a regular glam channel, a vlog channel, a family channel. I've been so many different channels, but if you watch like a few videos back, you know that I have recently started a boutique. The boutique has been open for about a month and a half, and so much has happened in between that time. If you click on my website link, which will be in the bio, you will see some of my content and some of the things that I have sold. So a lot of things have sold out in the boutique. I've had amazing support. I have had my Instagram account hacked. I've lost my Instagram account 3 different times, y'all. It was buck wild. I don't know if it was someone that was like trying to attack me, or if it was just random, someone that I clicked on something or something like that. But restarted my Instagram account, which is now Reallycuteco fashion. And unless you've been following me and you know the backstory, a lot of people probably wouldn't even really understand what it is, but me putting fashion in the name is, I think, a great idea. So, and it's still Reallycuteco on TikTok and on YouTube. I actually had a few of you all that were from here that were following me on Instagram that have actually purchased and everything. But yes, so if you're looking for me, it's really, I just started over and I didn't have a problem with starting over. Sorry to anyone that has ever been hacked, that has ever went through anything like that, but I think now I have a better understanding like about how safe I need to keep my stuff and just to protect the business that we're trying to build. It's been about 2 weeks dealing with things like that, which has put me behind in my boutique. I was really on a very good roll with getting inventory, shooting the content, posting everything, but it's all been for good, because right now I have a boutique full of clothes and gorgeous things that are getting ready to launch. It's not a bad thing at all. Like I said, my boutique, I actually want to put up some earrings. I created this boutique because I wanted to work from home. I didn't want to leave my babies, and it's been just that. Everything we've made so far, we have put back into the boutique, which has been really, really smart, I believe, on us to make sure everything is as great quality as possible. And also, my mother passed. She passed like a month and a half ago at this point. Mother's Day was just on yesterday. So actually having a very hard time with it, dealing with a lot of emotions that I didn't even know I had. I got really angry at one point. A couple times I just really wanted to like end it. I found that with my grieving, I don't eat. So those have been like my coping skills. I am starting to eat a little bit more. My mother was a beautiful woman. We had a great relationship, honestly, but we've been down here in Texas. Like, I was really going through, and I'm not to say that I'm not going through, but I'm feeling a lot better. And all while that was happening, me going through the grieving process, somebody hacked my account and all of that stuff. So I was just like almost like resetting my grief. It was just so much happening all at once, and it's like my mom died suddenly. I had already been working on the boutique. I had already been working on my journey, but it's like I don't want to quit, you know. And then yeah, I don't want to quit, so I'm not quitting. Launch day was awesome. I was driving into the state of Alabama to go to my mom's funeral the next day when I was launching, literally checking into the hotel room, selling so much stuff. I think on launch day, I made close to $1,000, which was way more than I was even expecting to make. I thought maybe 1 or 2 people might buy, but I had an immense amount of support. So thank you to everyone that purchased on launch day. And it wasn't like I didn't just use that money, I put it right back into the boutique, but it was just awesome to see that. My husband is asking for my coffee order, so let me text him. Work so hard. Like, content is a lot of work, and me creating content for things that I'm selling is even more work. Like, I don't even know how to explain it, but it's like the boutique is literally like one of my babies now, and I just want to protect it and grow it. Right now I have so many packages and things that I need to do for the boutique. So for those of you who have been following me, these are the earrings that I give away in the orders for free. I when I first launched, I ran out of earrings because within the first couple weeks, because all of my orders didn't come in, and I had placed like so many earring orders. I have a whole drawer full of these as well, so I'm getting ready to like tag half of them. I was gonna put some on. Does this match? I don't know if I want to wear these. I'm getting ready to put some on because I would actually do wear these earrings every day. I was trying to see if I wanted to put on the hot pink ones, which I think I do. But I was getting ready to put some on, and then I was getting ready to tag them. I like to put them on these Reallycuteco tags. So I was getting ready to do that because I just ran out. I have like only a couple left. And then we just got a whole bunch of adorable socks in from my manufacturer. This one says plastic. In honor and homage, what did he say? In homage, in honor of the new Barbie movie that's getting ready to come out. And then I have these other strawberry ones. I wore mine yesterday, so unfortunately I can't put these juicy socks on today. Aren't they fire? Oh, and they're such good quality. Like, they're better quality than my socks before. So I was getting ready to do that, and I just wanted to pick up the vlog camera. Put these on. It's just raining, but now the sun is coming out. I had my ring light on. I could probably turn it down some. Okay, so here's my outfit today. I just wanted to show y'all my glasses. I just got new glasses, and I absolutely love them. On the inside it says Reallycuteco. I don't even know if you can see that. And on this side it says you're so cute, and I spelled it wrong because I kept spelling my stickers wrong, so I spelled it wrong. In honor of me almost printing hundreds of stickers with me saying you're so cute, spelling it wrong. This shirt is from All Things Lillian. If you do not follow All Things Lillian on Instagram and on YouTube, you are definitely missing out on the cutest content ever. Is this ring light too bright? It is bright, boo. Let me turn this down. The pants that I said I kept trying on, and these are a size 1. Super, super cute. I'm thinking of names to go with these. I think I'm gonna call these like my 80s pretty and 80s jeans or something along those lines. Aren't they so cute? They're super cute. So these will be coming to the shop super soon. And okay, so basically what I was getting ready to do, ooh, I need to put my camera on my tripod better. What I was getting ready to do was I'm gonna tag these socks. See, bring it in here. That is so cool. Let me see. What is this part that I just messed up though?
Person. And like, this is not mine.
I say Lavies.
Yeah.
This is fire.
Oh, so what happened? Yeah. And there's a really cool thing that I can do. Can I show you?
Hey. So I am back today. Oh, I didn't call you. Back today, you guys. I think I'm going to post some photos of the photo shoot that I did yesterday. Ooh, I wanted to vlog y'all, but I'm gonna be honest, like, it was just so, ooh, this is bad lighting, hold on. Today is Wednesday. I am trying to weekly vlog this week, and so much has happened since I picked up the camera on Monday. Yesterday, And the day before, I think I filmed a little bit on Tuesday. It was me feeling super chaotic in here. I was gonna try and film me like taking pictures and trying to set up my backdrop. I have a 10-foot wide backdrop. It is so huge, and I need to get one of those like pulling roller things so that I can just easily access my backdrop, but I don't have one yet. So me setting up this whole situation was so crazy, and I got fully glam, and then I shot pictures for my stock photos for the boutique. So I'm super excited. The pictures came out amazing, and they're fine, they can be loud. No, I need to get my footage taken care of on YouTube and Instagram so that I can get this stuff out of my house, because I bought so many beautiful things. I think the UPS guy is about to bring clothes in here. So sorry all my footage has been me in the boutique, but this is pretty much where I've been. What I was getting ready to do was package up some accessories. I am restocking this adorable pretzel clip, and I was getting ready. What's going on? But I'm feeling a little tired today. Like I said, I am still grieving at moments and times, and I also feel like a part of my grief is I get tired a little abnormal than what I'm used to. I'm not used to getting tired. Usually I'm like a ball of energy and I'm just ready to go, but lately I've kind of been like, I'll get like a burst of energy, and then I like, either I won't be okay and I'll be grieving, or I'll just get tired. So trying to get used to that. Also haven't been working out like I'm supposed to, and I know that that will help me with my energy as well. So did I get a package? So I'm getting ready to package all of these items and make them super cute for the boutique. This is how I like to package everything.
All right, what do you want from Jason's Deli?
No pizza. You cannot have pizza. What did he say?
I don't know. He wants pizza.
Is it a big box?
It's big, but not huge.
On my other earrings. Keep it original like it. Okay. Hey y'all. So I am back today. Welcome back to day, I don't know what day this is in the vlog. Let me turn the brightness up. Not sure what day this is, but today I am doing some tagging and merchandising, and I have been trying to keep the vlog going. I think this vlog is going to be a compilation over a couple of weeks, or about a week and a half. I launch on Thursday. New products in my shop launch Thursday, May. Let me see. Thursday, May. I'm gonna put it on the screen. No need of me struggling with that. This is my launch day. I'm hoping that I get this vlog up before launch day. It's just me just opening various things. Oh, now it's too bright. Okay. But I was just doing some. Now it's too dark. Y'all, somebody show me what I'm doing. Okay, yes, my soft boxes are like really backlighting me, but I don't want to move them because I am getting ready to shoot these adorable, look at this, these adorable little chain pouches. If you have followed Tell Me Beauty, Chantel's Life, if you followed me for a while, then you know I've always had stuff like this in my videos. So this is like a little makeup pouch, change pouch, and I was just on Instagram showing how you could put like your makeup in here and your lip gloss to keep like the inside of your purse clean. It's just my vibe, right? But I was just on Instagram showing that, and now I'm about to shoot some pictures, so I just wanted to say hey because I know a lot of these clips are just like me working. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the vlog. Don't forget to check out Reallycuteco.com. Sign up for the email so that you don't miss the next drop, and make sure you follow me on Instagram. I did link my new Instagram. It's Reallycuteco Fashion. My other one got hacked. I don't even like to say that word now, but my other one got hacked. It's probably something I did. So yeah, I'm really encouraged, and I'm just feeling really good about all the stuff that's coming together. It has taken me so long to like get this launch going, so make sure you subscribe to my website, follow me on TikTok at Reallycuteco, and yeah, here's some more footage of me working. I hope you guys are enjoying the content.
Hey girl.
Happy birthday. Years later. I was like, she's celebrating. Hey y'all, so that's going to be it for this vlog. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Reallycuteco Fashion and TikTok at Reallycuteco. And don't forget to check out my website, Reallycuteco.com. These vlogs will become more frequent, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below so that we can get this video out to the world so everyone can know about Reallycuteco.com. Thank y'all so much. Talk to you soon.